Am I the a-hole for not mentioning I received inheritance from my landlord? I'm a 30-year-old female who has lived in the same basement suite since I was 19. I rented it from this lovely old couple and became very close with them. They treated me like family, and we helped each other out a lot over the years. They kept my rent super cheap, would constantly spoil my dog and take him for walks while I was at work, and always gave me leftovers or invited me for dinner. I maintained the house and gardens and helped them with everything elderly people might struggle with. When they passed away in a bus accident, I was very shocked to find out they left me everything. Their house, their cars, and their sizable savings account. Fast forward to now, I'm getting married, and my soon-to-be husband is aware of my inheritance, but I never told anyone else. When we sent out the wedding invitations, both our families freaked out. They couldn't understand how we could afford to get married. My fiance's sister even said, "You're a landscaper and a teacher. You should be poor." Our families are furious that we never mentioned my inheritance, and are accusing us of living frugally to hide it. We just kept living the way we always had because we were perfectly happy doing so. They are literally so mad that they declined our wedding invitation.